Hey guys, it's your boy Tony Tone back again with another food review. Today I'm going to be doing Takis Crunchy Fajitas. And these look pretty delicious. I saw these in the store and I've seen other people review Takis, so I thought I'd give them a try. Right off the rip. Just smells like your average corn chip. Yeah, I don't really smell much spice at all. But let's give them a try. Yeah. Yeah. These kind of remind me of the Flamin' Hot Fritos on the Beefy Crunch Burrito at Taco Bell. It's corn chip, and it's got that spice on it. Oh man, these would definitely be good in a burrito. As I eat more and more of them, the back of my throat begins to tingle. It's nothing too bad, nothing hot, but I'm a big spicy food guy, so these are not bad at all. Yeah. Yeah, these are good. I'm gonna stop before I eat the whole bag. So, yeah, it's real good. Nothing too crazy spicy. If you're not really a spicy food person, you could definitely handle this. Yeah, let's rate these, shall we? For the Takis Crunchy Fajitas rolled tortilla chips, I'd give these a 3.5 out of 5. You know, could be hotter, could have a little bit more like fajita seasoning, but by no means are these bad. I would definitely get these again. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any suggestions on what I should try, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you next time.